You know, we call yellow man, no why. Oh, go on, Flag. Everything alright? Today is the day of the meeting when we did telling about, so I'm supposed to have. Me updating upon that. Supposed to have the meeting next week, so me make gonna know. So I'm just waiting. It will be maybe in the next hour or so. So I wait on that. I'm praying and hoping and just keeping my fingers crossed that everything go how it's supposed to go and I can take some of this financial burden off of my shoulders and just get back to focusing on creating content the way how I want to create it and the types of content that I want to create. So I'm just here waiting, man. Check my YouTube AdSense a while ago and because YouTube messed up my thing last month, it's not looking good, people. It's not looking good. I am going to launch the Patreon. It should be today. I edit a video for put on the Patreon right now and then I'm going to tell the people that are interested in that type of thing, say it has been launched so they can go and go subscribe. Subscribe me, that's it. The magic number that we're going after with Patreon is 200 people. If we get 200 people subscribe to the Patreon, we're good. Anything beyond that, give thanks for it. But from we get 200 people willing to subscribe to the thing, and the cost is $5 a month. But they make it 3, but I say, $5 seems like a nice normal number. I want to bear with me still as I try to figure it out. Because I don't really know how Patreon go yet. So when I figure it out now, then we can probably add like different tiers on them thing there. But for now, $5. Subscribe to the Patreon. $5 a month, and that's where the reaction videos will be. We can be more free over there, so we can put some videos in a reaction video we couldn't put on YouTube because YouTube love stress people and them thing there. And nothing too crazy. Just some funny clips where YouTube would say a harmful sitting and all of them thing there, If you have the money, subscribe to the Patreon. If you get 200 people to subscribe to me on Patreon, it shouldn't be a difficult thing. Just to keep me afloat until I'm out of the situation that I'm in and I can post on YouTube regularly again. So if you can, please subscribe. It's $5. $5, bro. Maybe I'll film a little piece of the meeting. Hello.
Hey, Kevin.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Awesome. Well, to begin and tell you a little bit more about Creative Juice, really what our overall mission is here is to really build out the business banking and financial infrastructure for creators so that they can, really understand their worth and grow as a business. And
honestly, to tell you the truth, I was just gonna give it like 2 more months.
Were you able to connect your YouTube account to the Creative Juice site?
I was. I would really have loved to just been able to get the funding, but as you say, it's for like a certain amount. It would have really helped the situation that I'm in to just like, help me to focus on content only at this moment. But I understand where you're coming from.
Okay. Thank you, Kevin. I appreciate it. Have a great day.
All right, you too. Take care.
Okay. Bye-bye.
As you can see, vlog, the meeting never turned out how I expected it to or how I wanted it to. There's still potential for it to be a thing, but right now, basically what they must say is like, they can't give me what I'm asking for until I start making a certain amount of money on YouTube. Which is not far off, but it's just that I'm at a place right now where things look dismal, brother. I swear. Feel like I'm about to just fucking give up and say, oh, that's it. But I'm trying out Patreon and I could see how that go. So if you want to subscribe to my Patreon where there will be exclusive content and them thing there and the reaction videos, then check it out and subscribe to it. I don't know what I'm going here, man. I don't know what I'm going, brother. It's a new day vlog. I'm just gonna run out one errand on the road and try to walk on my yard, isn't me? Still not have a whip ski, as you can see. I'm walking same way. I think I'm gonna sell it for real. No, I think I'm gonna sell it for real and just figure out some things. I'm gonna get some Aki I see if I can get some. We feel for some ackee. I have a chicken breast, I'm probably dice up in that. I can't ever get to do nothing like how I want to do it. Because again, limited in our movement. I like the freedom of being able to whip out my phone when I'm in a car and them things. You can't really do that if you're in a taxi and them something. You understand? Phone squish up in your pocket. People are hide van. You know them vibe there? Just I try make my way home. Get the ackee there and see what is what. And I hook lot up in the people in the gate. That there didn't even make no sense because I don't want 4-way or nothing there right there. So I don't see how somebody run up in the people in wall. Never get no ackee. I'm disappointed. See people in ackee tree though. But you man and a thief, you see me? If I go make deal with them, I have find something else. Eat in the morning. Yeah. See ackee them a laugh up this way. Ackee them a laugh at me. You're not getting ackee boy. I go see what else we can put together. Baby. Alright, so I never get the ackees in. This is what, like maybe like a whole 11-10 hours later I talk to them. I'm gonna make some mini dumpling cinnamon and sugar coated balls with spicy chicken finger strips. I think that I so see the hey nigga, focus nigga. You always got this stupid style of not focusing. Now you're gonna make me look stupid. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying, bro? Alright, boom. See like a mini ball them here. It's 48 of them. I should have just make 2 more and make it 50, but god damn it, for roll them. If we never know how long it take me, about half an hour it take me for roll 48. And they're pretty tiny, you know what I mean? I don't know if you can see, like, yeah, they're pretty tiny. You know, just regular dumpling with baking powder, fried dumpling, but them just tinier. And the idea just let me say, oh, put some sugar and cinnamon in our thing. Mix up that when the dumpling them come out of the pot, sprinkle it on it, bro, and that should be delicious. So make we go see how that going to turn out. Alright, so what we have here, so we have the balls them. We got the oil over here, so a slow heat because we don't want to get up to temperature too fast. We have some leftover dough. Honestly, I could have made more tiny them, but it didn't take so long. I say, yo, the dough you can build that maybe like tomorrow I use if like dumpling or something, or maybe later on if them are not enough, then I just go so boom and fry them and eat it like in the night. But that done, boom. Then over here, so now we got the chicken. So how the chicken are going to work is the chicken are going to go from turn on like a light, I'm gonna see what I go on because that's it me I love ramp, you know. Anyway, so the chicken are gonna go from deso to water, ice cold water, in a flour, in a pot. The dumpling them or the mini dumpling them are gonna fry before the chicken. And then we have the cinnamon powder, right as well, with the regular brown sugar. Now when for white sugar I should have used. Me did all that thing for go so boom and put all rub out like a nutmeg in it, but me don't mess up the thing, so I could just humble myself and make it do what it do. So then look, I make them fry for about 3 minutes on low heat, people. I like what I go on over here, so I like it. It seems like it's not gonna be enough, so I have to just go fry this in some dumpling, you know, but beauties, eh? Oh yeah. Alright, so this is what they look like outside of the pot. They look so fun to eat. One thing I was afraid of was that they were going to explode. You know, sometimes you dumpling them explode, but they never explode. They keep intact, and it's like I'm gonna sprinkle on the sugar now, cover it up, shake it up, and then, you know, make it build. The cinnamon sugar I mean, that make I put down bunny, you know. If I shake it with one hand, but you know, they in there, man. I can't see what I go on, but I know I must say I hear it. The chicken is in the pot, crispy and getting all nice and crispy and flaky, you know what I mean? Alright people, this is what I go on here, so you see me? We got the little chicken strips. And then we got the, I think I may have been too ambitious because it like none of the cinnamon to stick. Nor the sugar, I may have to sprinkle some over it, but failure. Failure. But me like how them a come out, man. Them look, hold on, I lie me, I tell you, have some little bit of cinnamon dip on them. I don't know if you can see it. Right, a big camera this, you see me? Wanna see a little bit of cinnamon pan and them thing there, but the sugar now, the sugar I wanna really stick. The sugar was the crisis. And I wonder why I have a spoon. See the people? Balls and I say it, I eat it, you see me like cereal. You see how long I chew for? The first issue, I think I'll make them fry for too long. So, for them size, I probably want to fry for like a minute and a half, 2 minutes max. Because you see, they may work with the 3 minutes, you know. Huh? Nice and awesome. Wow. The cinnamon and the sugar upon them one, yeah? Yeah. I'm just wondering what them one, I size bit on them one, yeah. About that. Yeah, I like the cinnamon and the sugar upon the big one. The little one, them make them fry for too long. But, they are so fun to eat. You know what I mean? Like cereal, brother. And because them fry for too long, it kind of make it harder for chew. Maybe if me eat them right out that pot. Yeah. That's how I go on with the chicken, you see me? I'm not sink the teeth tonight, but I have to try it with the big one. Nuggets and and marbles. For that, strips and marbles. You know, like me, I get some little hints of the sugar and the cinnamon, so I can't really too complain. It's just that maybe I never put enough. I never try overpower it. But I think the sugar and the cinnamon would have stick. Like how the dumpling them hot, it would have stick better. As I said, I'm afraid the little one them too long. I'm tired up my jawbone with the chewing, but I could go in with one like big one them and sprinkles and cinnamon. Wow. Lovely. It can be a thing. Oh. It's come like a late night snack. You go on party and boss a fry up them, yeah. Sprinkle it on, you know what I mean? Dumpling bars. I'm getting some dumpling bars, them G. You know, like go there and share fries, just heave you up and then go so. When they get cold, they no fun. All like cinnamon and the sugar over here, so. Maybe I should mix it into the flour. But you know, like I have a donut, that's something I want it on the outside. I finished with my food, people, and this is not a sandwich one, but look at something, the English. Delicious, fun to eat.
It's for the kids. The kids will love it.
Don't care about that. If you want to do it for yourself as an adult, do it. Feel like you want to try it. Yeah, man. So juicy. Look at more people.